the BMP, the good old BMP, which fired at enemy targets. Sir, could you please tell us about what damage you inflicted on the enemy?
First of all, I would like to compliment you, like you said, the good old BMP. It has proved its mettle since 1984 when it was inducted, and till today as we speak, it has delivered steel on target for what it is meant for. So after the incident on 22nd May, we were always ready before that also, and of course after that the things started heating up. So we were ready for any response which we have practiced, rehearsed over a number of times, like if I may say 100 of times we have already practiced that. So thereafter when it was to be executed, the only thing which when we got to know which infrastructure, which post, which target have to be calibrated with the amount of firepower. So the amount of firepower, the amount of ammunition, they were identified, homed down, and thereafter when the time came, it was delivered
on target.
Dot on target.
So there are two types of rounds that you use: the armored piercing round and the high explosive round.
Yes.
So which, like, could you tell us about what
it is used in tandem.
Right.
Both the ammunition are used in tandem. The first, like if I may say, the armored piercing is used to break the crust. The moment the crust is broken, thereafter the mayhem which high explosive does to the enemy, it is anybody's guess.
Right. I've seen this video of Bradley firing at a T-72 in Ukraine, and that has a 25mm round, and this
is
must
30mm.
pack a much bigger.
Of course, because the cyclic rate of fire of this 30mm gun, it's humongous.
Right.
You need to see it to believe it.
Right. And then you also have the ATGM to take on.
Yeah, of course. This is one of the most potent weapon which we are having on this platform, and it can fire till 4,000 meters. 4,000 meters. And beyond also.
And I've noticed cope cages.
See, this is the flavor of the day and need of the hour also.
Of course.
Lessons, of course, all the armies learn from other experiences.
Right.
So this is what we have learned and executed on ground after Armenia, Azerbaijan, be it Russia, Ukraine. So these are the cope cages which came in very, very handy, of course, during
I've even seen some Israeli tanks with cope cages.
Yeah, nowadays all the armies all across the world, they are doing it for their good.
So pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Our borders, a symbol of strength, guarded by our brave warriors. As the proverb goes, armor strengthens the greatest warrior. A1's fences are that armor for the armed forces. A1 Fence delivers quality in every inch, products, services, and insights, providing solutions, tackling every challenge in any terrain or condition. A1 Fence, securing our borders silently.